Hello all, welcome to RotaTrains.com. In this session, we'll discuss about the row underscore number by clause in Oracle database. So we have seen a group by logic or having by clause, but in this one, we'll try to understand how can we use a row number and what is the advantage of this one. So let us understand the syntax of row underscore number. So row underscore number is an analytical function, and by the name itself, it says that it assigns a row number. But on the basis of what it assigns a row number is based on two things. And here, if you observe the syntax, just you can ignore the theory if it is too much. You can just see this particular graphical image. Row underscore number is a function, and we have one more keyword called over, and this over can be based on a partition class or it can be simply based on order by class. So nothing but when you want to apply a row underscore number, you require over clause with either a query partition clause or order by clause. If you don't now, as per this logic, what happens is, let us say you mention row number and you want to just simply assign a row number to the row based on a simple sorting logic. So what you can do is you can just use row underscore number over and mention by the order by clause. But let us say if you want to order the data based on partitioning it, nothing but a grouping it. Let us say I have a set of data in which I have this particular data according to a country or according to continent. Now I have country data and each country is assigned to a continent, and I want to I want to, assign a row number in each specific continent for a given country. I mean to say in a given continent, I want to assign a row number to the country based on the population. So what I can do is I can apply a row number and a partition clause and then order by logic. Using this, we can achieve lot number of top and bottom end queries, and also ordering the data is very efficient in this one. So now let us see the sample stuff one by one. So the first thing is you need to understand the table which we are considering. Let me show you the content of this table here. So the table has the countries is a table, and in which we have three columns: name, continent, and population. So now this is a very simple query, and the second query you can observe here. So in which we are just trying to fetch the data where the continent is equal to Africa. Now let us the very important thing comes into picture. Now let us say if at all if you apply a normal row num pseudo column, you should have got the row num logic. And here what I'm trying to do is I just want to assign a row number based on the population. And let us say I'll just ignore the continent here. And if you observe this one, what we are trying to do is row underscore number we are applying, and we are assigning the data based on, so this is mandatory. If you're using row underscore number, over is mandatory, and within the over there is one, either you have to use the partition clause, either you use the order by clause, or you can use both. Order by order by population descending. So I'm just trying to assign the data, nothing but the country which is with the larger population will come first. So like this. Okay. And now let us see the another sample wherein we are assigning, let us say I want to get the list of countries in Africa, and I want to order the data based on population. So within the continent Africa, and I just want to get the list of countries in that. And I just want to get only the top three countries in Africa. Now let us see if I want to get the top five countries in Africa, I can just try this one. So what are we doing here is we are applying number 24. We are applying row number over order by population descending, and we have assigned a column name for this one. And in the where clause, I just applied a pop rank less than or equal to 5. So it will just show it's like a top 5 query. I mean, it's a top 5 query. Now let us see the very important one. In this one, what are we trying to do is I want to get the top three countries in each continent. We want to get top three countries in each continent. So in this one, what we have to do is nothing but partition by logic is almost similar to a group by logic. So nothing but we are grouping the data based on the continent. Nothing but I'm dividing the given data into different partitions. So the first partition, the partition is based on what continent, and then order by population descending. So this order by will get applied on each partition separately. So then this pop rank will get applied on the partition data, right? So now here what we are trying to do is we are trying to get the top three countries in each continent. The top three countries in each continent. So here within Africa, these are the top three countries. And similarly in the Asia, you can observe here, China, India, and Asia are the top three countries in the Asia region. So this is how we can apply row underscore number and then partition by and then order by to get the top n queries in very efficient and easier manner. Okay, have a look. Thank you.